After a brief ban on the bikini in its advertisements, the state government has had a change of heart and signed up 3 beauties for an advertising campaign to attract tourists to Goa, and 2 of these women will appear in bikini.
It may be recalled that a few months back the state government confronted with a series of rapes and murders, some of them involving foreigners, had decided to ban swimsuits for advertisements because they promoted the wrong image of the state. The latest campaign, which aims to promote Goa and Europe, features former Miss Russia Svetlana Stefan Koksfaya, Indian model Alisha Pekka and Bollywood actor Mahima Chowdhury. Stefan Koksfaya and Pekka would be wearing bikinis in the advertisements. The advertisements, or rather the TV commercials, would be aired in Russia and the UK, 2 countries from where Goa gets majority of its tourists. Speaking to Goa 365, the tourism director said the tourism department had recently signed up 3 women for an advertising campaign and that there was no volte-face as the new advertisements were only for the European audiences.
We had said that all advertisement in the domestic market would not feature any bikini clad, and that stand is still maintained because the issue was about domestic tourists trying to misbehave with ladies or others. For international markets, I don't think bikini or anything is something out of the culture of those countries. So it's a very aesthetically short ad. There's nothing vulgar about it. And yes, it will be. We have prepared the ad, but we have not yet telecasted. But it's likely to be telecast in this financial year. Presently, we will be targeting the Russian and European markets. Also, the US and the Canada's markets. And English is common all over. So that's the aim of the campaign right now.
Goa attracts 25 lakh tourists annually, of which 4 lakh are foreigners, mainly from the European countries. Mr. Naik further said, though the tourism department's aim was not to impose a ban on any type of clothing, but at the same time, his department would also make sure that there was no vulgarity.
So our aim is both not to put any ban on any type of clothing or anything, but at the same time see that there is no vulgarity or anything in the whole system of